Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So finally friends, in this video we are going to discuss the latest update of the Vechain. What's going on in the Vechain? You know what? Is the price pump in the future? Is the price dump in the future? In this video we are going to discuss, we are going to do a technical analysis, realistic price prediction. So keep watch this video complete. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now my friends, first of all, if you look the price chart, if you look the updates of the last one day, of the last 24 hours, so you can see here, my friends, that's really a good news, that's really a congratulation video for all of you, that you can see a positive 8.1% the price increase in the last 24 hours. 8.1%, so that's really a good amount of profit for all of you, my friends. So congratulations, my friends. On the other hand, if you do a technical analysis, if you look the price chart of the Vechain, so you can see here, my friends, in the beginning of the day, the price of the Vechain start pumping. You can see here that the price start pumping, but after some after some time interval, the price starting falls down. You can see here the price jumping. It's sometime, but you can see here again price down and again. But if we do a technical analysis, so everything now, this all the situation is going same. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Vechain, Shiba, these all token situation is going in the same way. In the same way, you know what? In nowadays in the cryptocurrencies market, if Cardano pump, XRP, Dogecoin, Vechain, Shiba, these all token is also pumping, my friends. If Cardano is pumping, so they are all connected with each other, my friends. Same like that. Now, same like that situation occurs in all coin. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba, these all token, all prices of this coin is gradually falls down. You can see here now the price of the Vechain is gradually falling down. Gradually, not a quick falls occur in the Vechain. With the time, the price falls down with a very low speed, not a quick falls, low speed. Slowly, the price falls down. So, my friends, now my prediction, my personally technical analysis is that the possibilities, my friends, that the price falls down more in the future. Tomorrow, the price falls down with the double of the speed. So, my friends, the purpose of making this video is that please never lose hope and just hold it, my friends. Just hold it, everything will be okay. Every cryptocurrency is fast, the price falls down. So though that's not it's not a big talk, my friends. Just hold it. Be patient and wait for the huge pump. This is how you can get a profit from a cryptocurrencies market. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.